What's the vibes, y'all? Keep it funky beer and dank reviews coming back at ya. What's the vibes on this Monday night? How's everybody doing tonight? Is everybody blazing on? What's everybody sipping on? What's the vibes tonight? We're doing another we're doing another mystery beer, courtesy of FLX Beer Reviews. Appreciate it, Dan and Mike. No idea what the style is, what the ABV is, at all. No can date. Straight out the fridge. Using Tributary Tulip. Let's crack her open. Okay. Tastes like a stout. Definitely a stout. God damn it. Be right back. Got some spillage. All right. All good now. Let's fix this. All right, so we got like a dark chocolate, jet black, medium-sized bubbles. Looks like, from appearance, fix this again. It looks like a barrel-aged stout or imperial stout, not barrel-aged. Smell some vanilla. Dark chocolate. A little bit of bourbon. Could be. Caramel. Oak. Let's get into it. Cheers. Thanks, FLX. Love doing mystery reviews. Definitely a barrel aged stout. Taste that barrel. You're like dark chocolate, nougat, oatmeal, a little hazelnut, a touch of lightly roasted coffee. Nice vanilla, balance it out. Dark cherries. Figs. All right. I'm going to say it's a barrel-aged imperial stout with chocolate, coffee, aged in some sort of bourbon, and it's 12.5 ABV. Let's open it up. Let's reveal. Pour the rest. That's just motor oil now. Let's see what we got. Motherfucker. Okay, we'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to get a knife because this is annoying. Making progress. Damn. So, don't mind that shit. We have Bear Fight Imperial Stout. I got Imperial Stout right. Cool. 10.8 ABV from Strange Bird out of Rochester, New York. Chocolate, roasted barley, oat malt. No date. Yeah. Bear Fight. Strange Bird. Imperial Stout. I got the style right. I was off by a little bit on the ABV. Not too shabby. Yeah. Appreciate it, FLX. That was fun. If anybody else wants to see some other beer reviews, DM Instagram, Discord, link trees in the bio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, keep it funky. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, keep it dark, keep it real, keep it interesting, keep it dank, keep it real. Till the next time, cheers, y'all.